stadium where Taylor Swift will play, and I will be here for it. I'm really sad.
Taylor Swift Stadium.
Yeah, renamed Taylor Swift Stadium.
Bummer. Also Bruno Mars Stadium.
No, just Taylor Swift Stadium.
Just Taylor Swift Stadium. Thai Airways. We're here outside Terminal 1, ready to take our flight, and we're about to see the Jewel. So we actually flew into Terminal 4, and then we're flying out of Terminal 1, and we're right outside of the Jewel, right outside Terminal 1. So the check-ins are right here, and we got dropped off at the check-in, and then the Jewel is right here, and we're gonna go inside, check out the Jewel. There actually is, if you get dropped off at the other terminals, there's a bus right there that goes to Terminal 4. That's what those people are waiting on. And so if you have kind of more of a local Asia flight, I think you'll take that. But if some of the bigger airlines, if it's more international, you know, to the US or to Europe, you'll most likely be in Terminal 1. Oh, look who it is. Whoa. Wow, this is so cool. What? It's like a rainforest. They got it as soon as you walk in. I thought you'd have to walk far to it, but wow, look at that. That's so cool. What? Wait, there's people up there on the Skyway too. Look at that. I wonder how you get up there. Oh, this is awesome. Oh my gosh, there's so many people. Wow, I did not know that this is literally just like a mall. It's an Apple store right here. You can check out, you can buy a new iPhone and then use the camera to check out the Jewel. You get a good Jewel pick. What do you think of the Jewel? Oh, okay. They got the little subway going through here now. Or Metro, I don't know, what is that, AirTran? This is so cool. I didn't realize that This is a mall. And they got Shake Shack. Shake Shack right here. So you can get a burger and then see the Jewel view. Oh, they got Skechers shop.
So it's basically a mall.
Yeah. I did not know. I thought it was just the Jewel was here. It's also right outside the airport. I thought it was in the terminal, but it's outside the airport. Wow, this is a nice mall too. There's one thing that Singapore has a lot of, it's malls. Some of them are real nice malls, some of them are, they're all real nice. I don't know what I'm talking about. So I'm just now seeing this, but there is fast check-in down there, so you can come to the Jewel, check in for your flight. I think that's if you don't have to check any luggage. Actually, it looks like they're checking luggage down there too. Check in for your flight and then hang out in the Jewel area until closer to when your flight's ready, and then you can go through security, hop on your flight. We'll be hanging out here for a little while before our flight, that's for sure. Oh wow, that's cool. Little bamboo forest down there, it looks like. Whoa. Wait, this is awesome.
This is a good spot because there's no one over here.
Yeah. Look at that, it's huge. There's so much water coming through that. Oh look, here's the tram coming through. Looks like it really slows down. Oh, I guess they do cross next to each other.
Oxygen ทางออกฉุกเฉินบนเครื่องบินนี้มีทั้งหมด 8 ทางออก โดยท่านจะสังเกตได้จากเครื่องหมาย exit ในกรณีฉุกเฉินไฟนำทางจะนำท่านไปยังทางออก และโปรดสังเกตทางออกฉุกเฉิน
Yep. Oh, nice. How do you do that?
Turned off.
That's cool. Is there a red blinking light on it? Nice. That's really cool. So when you press it again, it stops.